And welcome back to Common Mistakes Agents Make. Tip number 6. So, common mistake that agents make is not communicating with their clients. Now, this one always just boggles my mind with the ease of phone calls and text messages and emails, at the ready at our phone, which is in our hand 99% of the time. Not staying in touch with your clients can actually be a devastating backfire that can cause lots of problems. So what we recommend is, some say pick a day of the week and some do it Tuesday because it's Texting Tuesday. And you will make sure that every Tuesday you spend time texting your sphere of influence, potentially your service providers, your transaction partners, just kind of checking in and checking up on everybody and everything. So if that works for you, Tuesday is Texting Tuesday. Now, in your buyer and seller consultation, which that class will be coming soon, we talk about how and asking how the client would like to be communicated with. And they may be old school. They may want a phone call. They may be, more cutting edge. They want a text message. They don't want a phone call. They don't want an email. They just want a text message. But by not asking that key question, you are leaving a gap with what your expectation and their expectation. So not staying in touch with a client is not a good thing. So here's a quick story time. In session 2, we talked about time blocking, and it's always a good idea to block off time on Monday and on Friday to at least touch in with the client to let them know what is coming. Now, when you do your buyer and seller consultation, you can let them know that every Monday and every Friday they can expect to hear an email, a voicemail, or a text message from you with the update of what happened over the weekend. If there were any showings on their property, or obviously they would know because they may need to leave, but if they're gone, you just keeping them updated. If it is a buyer, keeping them posted of what's shown up on the market, that it did or didn't meet their needs. So just keeping them posted of what's happening, what's going on behind the scenes, and how you are marketing their listing, especially if our market shifts again a little bit and we've got longer times on the market, you absolutely need to make sure that you are staying in touch with them, keeping them posted, that you shared it on the coming soon board, or that you did this or you did this. What are you doing to keep them posted on what's going on with their transaction? Because there's nothing worse than hearing from a client that they want to fire their agent because they never heard from them and they never had any update from them and they didn't know what was going on. So don't make that common mistake, and stay in touch with your clients. Okay, so that wraps up this episode of Common Mistakes That Agents Make. We'll be back for the next series in just a minute.